This is Case Application 15.1 presented by Teagan and Harper. Case Application 15.1 goes over employee experience at IBM, which is an informational technology company. IBM found that their employee engagement raised their client experience scores by 2/3, which also helped with their revenue. They started with recruiting employees and prioritizing their feedback, which ultimately led to employees having a bigger role in the company, and they were able to co-design changes. The first key concept from 15.1 I will be talking about is job satisfaction. By definition, job satisfaction refers to the general attitude this person has surrounding their job. Somebody with a higher level position is more likely to have job satisfaction. This is relevant to the case study because IBM's employees decided to make themselves heard, supported, increasing overall job satisfaction. This improved their engagement, client experience, and company's performance. Ultimately, job satisfaction is meant to help employees work effectively rather than being dissatisfied. The next key concept we found regarding 15.1 was employee engagement. The definition of employee engagement is being connected to their jobs while also being satisfied and enthusiastic. This ties into the case study because it is entirely about employee engagement and employee experiences. IBM wanted to redesign the employee experience because they knew their engagement plays a big role in their business outcomes. By allowing their employees to have bigger roles, more accessibility, and supporting development, it led them to have a new energized workforce. IBM gave a great example of why employee engagement is so important for companies. Engaged employees will be top performers and give higher retention rates. The next key concept is attitudes, specifically in the workforce. The definition of a workforce attitude is the way the employee reflects on their job. For example, when someone says, "I like my job," they are showing a positive attitude. This is relevant to the case study by IBM's focus on employee experience and improvement. They wanted to show that they could strengthen employees' attitudes towards their jobs, leading them to feel motivated, and their positive attitudes ultimately gave a bigger contribution to the performance and the engagement of the company. The company example that seemed most fitting is Google. They are a great example of how companies can and should focus on employee engagement. Google did this by providing employees with perks, leadership developments, and arrangements to provide flexibility. To conclude, employee engagement is important if companies want to grow and develop. It drives business success by their productivity, profitability, and customer satisfaction levels.